Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really special unboxing. I got a surprise box from Google itself. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and see what I got. Here, look at the tape. This is Google tape from Google. Wow. So here we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. See what they sent me. Oh, cool, there's little papers. Awesome. Maybe a letter saying thank you or something for what I did. No, just more papers. Wow, let's check it out. Oh, whoa, it's heavy. There must be a lot of stuff on there. Whoa, okay, so there's a PHG bag. Whoa, let's see what can be next. Oh, here to amp you up. Ooh. Ooh, a Google Pixel stand. Okay. I don't have a Google Pixel, but I guess. Oh, wait. Woo! I guess I do have a Google Pixel 3 XL. Wow. Thank you, Google. That's awesome. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, okay. Oh, a case for my Pixel 3 XL made by Google. Awesome. There's a lot more in here too. Ooh, okay. This looks like the last item. Something extra just for you. Wow. So now we got a PHG journal. Wow. Pretty cool. Oh wow. So some little tips. A Google mug. Wow, you don't even need a coaster. It says China at the bottom too. Wow. And then this thing. Maybe to organize wires or something. Wow, man, I'm so excited. This was so cool. Thank you, Google. I really like it all. This is all really nice. Woohoo! All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.